All right, today is chicken moving day. We're moving our chicks out to the pasture. Got our electric fence set up and their mobile coop ready to go. And here they are down in here. They're going in these milk crates for now. We've got like 200 to move. So we're gonna try to get 10 per crate. I'll move the truck up here. Leo's in there doing it now, so I'll go help him and show you guys the process. How's it going?
Good, that one has 20 in it.
This
Yep.
this dog crate.
Yep.
Hello everybody.
Yep.
Woo, these are heavy. Yeah, you guys don't eat those chickens, okay? Are you counting for each box?
Yep. I'm just doing per box.
Yeah. And then we'll just count the boxes. Here they are, all loaded up.
And ready to get out.
Yeah. He's gonna make sure nobody flies out on the road. Ran out of crates, so we used a trash can for one. Here we are in the pasture, ready to let the chickens out. This is one of the key elements of rebuilding our soil here. The other is getting water out here, which we're working on today also. Opening the ditch and moving it around the corner. But first we're gonna unload the chickens. We're gonna count them all so we know how many we have. And yeah, because this will be probably the last chance we get to count them, because we're not going to catch them all again. We're going to move them around in the coop. I'll show you our setup here. So Premier 1 poultry netting, solar charger, and then this is our coop.
Where'd you put the solar charger?
Solar charger is plugged in at the house so that it will be really hot when we get here. So this is the coop here, built on a little trailer chassis and extended way out, and then a bunch of leftover tin roofing we had, and then we're gonna run roosting bars across, and then maybe we'll put in an automatic door here so they can jump out, or we'll just open the door for them, and then we'll have rollaway nesting boxes and we'll collect eggs. So hopefully we can make some money and produce some eggs for ourselves and help build the soil at the same time. And the horses are out here right now. They're gonna be moved off in a little bit. But that's it for now. Let's get these chicks unloaded. All right. Out at the chickens again. This is their first morning. Everyone's happy. I just wanted to show you guys the water system here. So what we have is, this is just a drip line here that you use for like irrigating a garden, a 1/2 inch. It's like 500 feet for 50 bucks, so it's really cheap. And then I have it on a quick connect right there. And so we can just pop this off and move it when we need to. This is a float valve, and it froze last night. It'll thaw out. It's gonna be 60-something degrees today. And that's it for water. Just dump that out every day, get them clean water. And then we weighed out our feed this morning. We're gonna feed them twice a day.
15 pounds?
15 pounds twice a day at 8 weeks old. And that's it. Just dump it on the ground. Let them scratch.
There's one of them.
And here's one of them. Hi! Healthy little chicks. Happy as can be. And the trick last night was getting them to go inside. Eventually, we need them to be inside. They went underneath. So we fed them inside last night to try to get them used to being in here. Because we need to shut the door at night to keep them safe from predators. And then we keep them shut in so we can move them. We take down the fence and drive this chicken tractor around and then put the fence up. So that's that. I'll make a video of our first move and show you that chaos. But so far so good. That's it. Here's the chickens. Nice morning here in Lassen County. Nice and chilly. Horses didn't mess with our fence last night, so that's good. Eventually I'd like to get the dogs in with the chickens at night. It's you, Lily. But with the chicks not going into their house, I don't want the dogs to have access to them. So once the chicks sleep inside, the dogs will sleep just in this netted area.
Come on, you're not gonna go out now.
That's that. Easy peasy. Come on, Burley.